Welcome to the channel. There's three types of presentation tools. One wastes your time, one looks smart but falls flat, and one actually changes the game. Let's see which.
So creating a polished PowerPoint used to be really tough. It used to take me days tinkering with layouts, trying to figure out the best way to do it, and just adding animations, stressing out over the design. And even then, it still didn't come out how I wanted. But then I found VoxTech, and this game changer let me craft stunning dynamic slides in 5 minutes flat. No more endless hours of editing. No more problems with technical issues. Its intuitive tools and pre-built templates do the heavy lifting, so I get professional looking results without the hassle. Total time saver for work deadlines or last minute pitches. If you're ready for an awesome presentation, which I'm going to show you exactly how to make, stick with me because we're going to do it. So here we can see what this is all about. Most presentations aren't very good. Some of them waste your time. Some of them look smart. Some of them look good, but they fall flat. So how is this different? Well, there's a lot of different things out there. There's PowerPoint, blank screen templates, frustration. There's Gamma with auto structure, but the visuals, they stay flat. Now, there's something even better right here, and that is VoxDeck. It has motion cover plus 3D charts. And not only that, you get rewards when you sign up. So 1,000 points at sign up, 200 daily login, 500 per invite. And why is this better? Because PowerPoint's too slow for fast moving teams. You need that presentation. You need it now. It's not like, oh, I can show my boss in, 2 days or 3 days. I need it now. Gamma's good at starting, but it still needs heavy editing. You still need to go in there and change things. Here you can do it. It's easy to start, one click, multi-device. And not only that, the video is everything here. So the data becomes visual. It actually talks to you. Now, who does the talking? With PowerPoint, you're on your own. Gamma, it's still you. VoxTech, it actually gives you the advantage. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how it works. So here, we can go ahead and sign in. And here we can see the presentation. Now, we have motion cover, 3D charts, chat to deck. We can even pick the different themes that we want. You even have animation modes, which is cool. And if you have a logo, you can pop that right in there. So give me a presentation about how Bitcoin works. We can do that. Now it goes ahead and sends that off. Just sit back and relax and wait till the task is complete. And here we can see in real time, it is building this, which is very cool. One thing that I really like is you get mobile ready presentations. So you can do this on your phone. You can do this on your tablet. They're ready to go and you don't have to redesign or play with anything. And it's built by experts. They have 10 years in presentation tech, so they know what they're doing. You can use this for any use case you can think of. Education, marketing, startups, and research. So let's go ahead and see how it looks once it's done. So here we can see all the video, all of the slides, all the information right here. This looks really good. We can say this beats PowerPoint. This definitely beats Gamma. And we'll go ahead and present it. You can do it in full screen. So you can see Bitcoin understanding the revolutionary currency that changed finance forever. Very cool how this loads and looks. So this has a very cool look right here. I love how the animation happens. You can see scrolling through. And I can show this on my phone. If I'd have to do PowerPoint, I'd have to change all this stuff around. So guys, let's just be upfront with you. Bottom line, if you want slides that build themselves, present themselves, VoxTech is the only one in that category. Grab your free points and try it right now. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.